थोड़ा आगे आ जाओ भाई, ये थोड़ा आगे जाओ बेटा, लाइट नहीं लग रही। और अच्छा लाइट लगा ना, ठीक है रतन। हाँ डन, मैं वही बोल। पीछे क्लियर आ रहा है, प्रोफाइल कैसे मारो? On this side. Look here. Center. हो गया राजा भाई, चलो भाई कर लो। Yeah, done. Done.
Front row. Has to be.
All fine, all fine.
Thank you, sir.
अलग अलग है, ओके।
एक
केशव 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 आना भाई, पकड़ना प्लीज।
फुल तो नहीं ले रहे ना, आधा ले रहे हैं? फुल ले रहे हैं?
नहीं
इतना ले
हाफ
रहे।
ले रहे हैं, ओके हाँ ठीक।
दे दो।
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Prathna. I'm your MC for tonight. I want to begin with we all are following all our Indian traditions, and since both festivals are going on, so let's begin this music event with a live round. I would like to request Vinita Garsa to please come on the stage. We have our stardust from Raviza, Anuj and Anusmiti on the stage, please. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for them and let's begin with this thrilling evening.
चलो अपनी जगह पे चलो।
Now may I request our executive producer of Music Garage, Mrs. S.K. Aluwalia, I would request you ma'am to please come on the stage for the first song that is being produced by you, and that is Rangreza. Please join hands and let's welcome them. Along with SK, yes ma'am, please Aluwalia ma'am, can we have you on the stage? And we like to. Can you have a round of applause, please, everybody?
ओ हाँ रे भाई आगे जाते
Can you have our director, Junaid Khan?
टेबल के आगे
इधर इधर
इधर
As you're on the stage.
बीच में घुस गया
अरे कौन सा मेरा प्रोफाइल है नहीं मेरा
Well, I think the loud of your applause is a little lower. We need to put some energy on. Can we have our singer Saurabh Das and Pratiksha Srivastav on the stage, please?
आसिफ लाइट घुमाना स्टेज पे जाना
Probably they are around. Okay.
घुमाना फेस पे
Music by and lyrics by Yog Busal. Busal sir. Okay, he's right here. Can you have a round of applause, please?
अरे उसका आदमी को बोल
This is the first song release, and I think it has already been released. The whole entire team is right here, and I really want you all to please share them up and make some big noise and make some big round of noise, please.
क्या मारा इसको इधर भी है बात
Fantastic. Well, I have few questions for you, but then to begin with, let's hear the music first. So let's see the efforts. Can we have the music, please?
एक कलर देना इधर का रेड है इधर का ब्लू है
अरे उसको बहुत खाओ
Let's make sure that you know the efforts are paid off. Really amazing. I have a small question only to the Starcast. So, क्या feedback है? आज सुबह से ये stream हो रहा है and how are you feeling about it? What is your feedback? What's the best part you like about it? Can you have one more mic, please?
It's a very good feeling. Everyone is appreciating the song. Everyone is saying it's a very cute video, very lovey-dovey thing. So it's a very surreal feeling. You're feeling really good. Great. All thanks to our director, Jigar sir.
Yeah, it's a great feeling and actually हमने कुछ मैसेज देने की कोशिश किया इस सॉन्ग से that love doesn't need any language. So in this song, love is on the air.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, I can see that the purity of love it's being resembled, and you both have performed an amazing role into it. And really, thanks Music Raj, right? Bringing such amazing content to the platform, and definitely it will take you somewhere really great. Thank you so much, and thank you everybody on the stage. You can please take your seats. Thank you. Big round of applause, please. Big round of applause for them. Well, this is the amazing content that we have brought to you. Now, I would like to introduce the second song, and please welcome with a huge round of applause the whole team. Let's call upon stage Director Arush. I can't hear that. Please, you can give me on the stage, please. I think we have Namesh. Yay! Wow! Let's welcome the Starcast Namesh, Tanesha and Steffi Patel. With a big, huge round of applause, let's welcome them, guys! We also have singer and composer for this song, Pratik Gandhi. Mr. Pratik Gandhi, he's here. And the lyrics by Vishwajit Singh. Can we have him on the stage? Vishwajit Singh is here. Hopefully the traffic, Bombay traffic, we can understand. Anyways, guys, a tremendous job. And I have heard about this song. It's like a small town love story in this content. So let's talk about it later. I really wanted to know what is your feeling and how is the feedback and how was your experience. So please, lights off and let's play the music.
चिराग है ना लड्डू? Maybe fans, of course. So your message box must be filled with laddu today. Yeah. Yes. Okay. So let's understand what is your feedback like. You know, after like releasing today, stream हो रहा है. What is your friends, fans are talking about it? So the mic is with.
जनरली मुझे पता नहीं था कि इतना अच्छा गाना हो जाएगा टू बी ऑनेस्ट बट सबने इतना प्रेज किया हमारे जो प्रोड्यूसर हैं अमर सर और उन्होंने जिन जिन को दिखाया मेरे फ्रेंड्स इवन मेरी को-एक्टर भी हम दोनों की परफॉर्मेंस को प्रेज कर रही है सो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है हमने कैसे शूट किया वो हमें पता है हमारे गम हम ही जाने So
let's understand that gum part from Steffi. She's the right person to talk about.
Yes, sure, please. Steffi बहुत अच्छे से explain करेगी.
How was the song, everyone? You liked it?
Wow!
I am glad. So, you know, the audio of the song, Prateek, you've done an amazing. Oh my God, I've been listening it since 20 times since morning. Arush sir, thank you for visualizing what you've done. Amar sir, thank you for, you know, making all of this happen. And yes, sir, you deserve it, of course, you know. Without finances, kahan kuch hota hai? And so this is a small town story, as you can see. और हमने वाराणसी में शूट किया था. So पूरा feel, you know, हम actually we were roaming in rickshaws और ये सब शूट के लिए हम वैसे ही जा रहे थे. The time we entered Varanasi, we had all of that feels. That हम ऐसे हैं, and I also belong to a small town, so I know how the love stories happen, you know, छोटी-छोटी चीजें matter करती है, and I hope that, you know, we've portrayed it very well on screen, and बहुत प्यार मिल रहा है सुबह से, everyone's calling me and they're like, such a nice song, Namesh has done such an amazing performance, his expressions are so nice, and so yeah, I mean, as a whole team मेरे को लगता है we did, I mean, you tell me how was
Yes,
it?
definitely. Yeah. We as an audience definitely really liked it, fallen in love with the song and the music. Especially like, both of you really had an amazing job in this. So I believe like Arush sir must have done an amazing. Hey sir, what was the best part you like about this too?
I mean, effortless. Both of them are effortless. So you don't have to do anything. I guess I have to explain them once and yeah, that's it. It's there. Yeah, that's the good part of it.
Wonderful job, guys. Thank you so much for coming on the stage and really amazing to interact with you. All you can please take your seats. Big round of applause for them, everybody. Come on, make some noise. And lastly, now it's time to call upon on stage our special guest for tonight. Let's give a big round of applause and let's welcome Vivek Oberoi sir on the stage. Can we have a round of applause, please, for Vivek sir? I need a mic. Vivek sir, since you have seen both this song released today, what is your views on it? And of course, I'm a big fan of yours. I mean, watching your movies, everything. I mean, your songs are so beautiful. You perform a really wonderful job on screen. I'm really big fan of yours. So I just need your views for them as well as for everybody. Like, how was your, share your experience and any feedback if you would like to share.
Good evening, everyone. Good to see everybody in the house. Thank you for coming here. सबको मुझे पता है कि कोविड के बाद बहुत सारी दिक्कतें हैं चल रही हैं लोगों की फिर भी everybody's come here in support of this new company on such an auspicious day for Music Garage. So I really appreciate so that please give yourselves a big hand for all of you for making the effort to come here and support a new dream. I'm here because इस company के आगे एक बहुत ही होनहार बहुत ही काबिल प्रोड्यूसर हैं who I have great respect for. She's also a personal friend and I think she's going to be in the next 5 years one of those names, one of those producers जहाँ पे सब बोलेंगे अच्छा if it's Shikha's name, SK Ahluwalia is on the name on the product, that means it's going to be a high quality product. So big hand for SK Ahluwalia or Shikha as we know. And कंपनी के आगे ये हैं और कंपनी के पीछे मेरे भाई हैं जो इस वक्त आगे बैठे हैं लेकिन आगे आते नहीं। इनका नाम अमर रहे, अमर था, अमर है, अमर रहेगा। He's a very shy person, but a man with a great vision. Music Garage was his dream, where he himself loves music, he loves the vibrance of youth, he loves the energy that youth brings, and he loves just sheer talent. And एक बात जो बैठे बैठे उनके घर में लिविंग रूम में गप्पे लड़ाते हुए बातें करते हुए निकली, he created a company out of it. Hats off to you, brother. Just to create a platform to promote young talent. I mean, we just saw 2 wonderful videos. We saw 4 wonderful talents, 2 directors, DOPs, their work, music, their work, and sab naye, am I right? Right? All are new. All are new, and Music Garage is giving them such a lovely platform so that people can see their work. Aaj Steffi, right? Am I getting your name right? Steffi सामने बैठी हैं. Now, I'm sure so many people are going to watch this, and people who are producers or people who are casting are going to see Steffi's work and saying, "Oh, she's looking wonderful in this video," and maybe here's an opportunity for her to take the next step towards a bigger launch and a bigger success in her career. And I think that's what Music Garage is all about. The spirit of Music Garage is to bring good talent out there, give them a platform to prove themselves. And ऐसा बहुत कम होता है. So hats off to you, Amar bhai. Being an outsider, you're giving a lot of chance, a lot of opportunity to outsiders, to pure talent. And that's what I think the DNA of Music Garage is all about. I wish this company phenomenal success. I hope you have millions and millions of followers and billions of views. And I know that this company is only going to get better and better and go higher and higher with every passing day. So congratulations to everybody, the whole team and everybody who performed here tonight. Fantastic. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Now I guess like the house is open for the press, for the questions, and also like we have the dinner doors are open. So everybody, all the guests, dignitaries, you are.
थैंक यू. नहीं उठा पाएगा भाई. आपका दे रहे हो सर? हाँ. नहीं भाई इतना उठा पाओगे. हाथ रुक जाएगा.
कंसंट्रेट. रोज एक्सरसाइज करता है इसी की माइक पकड़.
देखिए सर हाथ का भी आप देखिए.
So, firstly, congratulations, starting from you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Music Garage के लिए congratulations और साथ में दोनों गाने बहुत ही बेहतरीन है. क्या कहना चाहेंगी आज इस मौके पर?
Nothing. It's like when you think of a baby, then you conceive a baby, and then finally the baby is out. It's that emotion. बहुत खुशी है, And like we mentioned, the person who's actually said the dream Amar, I'm just a face here, And yeah.
I think Shikha बहुत ज़्यादा humble बन रही हैं. She's not just the face, she's also the hands, the mind. She works very hard on putting all of this together. She's not somebody who was born and brought up in this industry like me. It does not come, क्या कहते हैं, DNA में, genes में नहीं है, but she's kind of developed an aesthetic of her own. And even the content that she's doing, even the films that she's doing, and I know the films that she's coming up with, some of them are just fantastic stories. And I'm really happy that women are coming out with such good films, such good stories. And पुरुष प्रधान एक जो इंडस्ट्री रही है, वहाँ पे औरतें are taking the bait in and pushing it the envelope, and Shikha is one of them. I think that she's going to do the same thing in Music Garage. This is baby steps. अभी शुरुआत ही हुई है, but I'm pretty sure कि जो आगे आने वाले गाने होंगे, they will be even better than this, and this company will keep growing. And एक ऐसे platforms चाहिए जो young talent को recognize करें. मेरा हमेशा से मानना रहा है कि जैसे जब मैं इंडस्ट्री में आया तो मैंने थोड़ा सा अलग रूट चुना कि मैं अपने पिताजी के बल पर नहीं आऊँगा. आई विल नॉट आस्क माई फादर टू प्रोड्यूस अ फिल्म फॉर मी. आई विल नॉट आस्क हिम टू लॉन्च मी, जो तब बहुत ही एक चलन था. बट आई डिड नॉट हैव सो मेनी एवेन्यूज़. तब मेरे पास म्यूज़िक गराज जैसी कोई कंपनी थी जहाँ पे मैं जाके एक वीडियो बना के अपना टैलेंट दिखा सकता. तो मुझे एक बिल्कुल टेढ़े तरीके से जाके राम गोपाल वर्मा के ऑफिस में एक ऑडिशन करना पड़ा और पागलपन करना पड़ा. वो मेरी किस्मत थी कि आई गॉट अ चांस, राइट, आई गॉट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी. सबको नहीं मिलता. आई थिंक म्यूज़िक गराज इज़ अ ग्रेट प्लेटफॉर्म बिकॉज जब आप 100 वीडियो बनाओगे, और ये कंपनी बनाएगी, जब आप 100 वीडियो बनाओगे तो 100 नए लोगों को टैलेंट मिलेगा, ब्रेक मिलेगा. एक आपके लिए एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिल जाता है जहाँ लोग आपको देख के पसंद कर सकते हैं. एंड बाकी जो लोग आज कास्ट कर रहे हैं, बाकी जो लोग आज फिल्में बना रहे हैं, जैसे मैं कहीं कास्ट कर रहा हूँ, मैंने देखा यार ये बहुत अच्छे डायरेक्टर हैं या एक्ट्रेस बहुत अच्छी है, एंड ऐसे व्हाई डोंट वी कास्ट हर, और व्हाई डोंट वी गिव हिम अ जॉब एज अ डायरेक्टर. तो इस तरह से काम सामने आता है. एंड आई थिंक आई लव दैट अबाउट दिस कंपनी.
सो विवेक ने तो इतना कुछ कह दिया. How was it for you to get him on board आज साथ में?
It's कई चीज़ें किस्मत की होती हैं. You can't say much. He's our destiny. We are very, very fortunate to have him standing here.
Right.
And I don't think certain things you can't put money on. It's a relation. I think that's what Vivek is to Music Garage. And we're very fortunate to have him because we are a young company, you know.
Right.
We're not coming with any kind of support like he mentioned. But we're coming with a very beautiful intention that, like everybody knows today, that content is king. But who makes that content, you know, is the zeal of all the newcomers. और हमारे हिंदुस्तान में एक चीज़ है, मैं फिल्मी बैकग्राउंड से नहीं हूँ, बट हम सब फिल्मी हैं. हम सब के हेयर स्टाइल बदलते हैं एक्टर्स के हिसाब से, कपड़े बदलते हैं उनके फैशन एरास के हिसाब से. सो वी ऑल आर फिल्मी एट हार्ट, एंड वी रियली बिलीव इन म्यूजिक गैराज टू गिव चांस टू पीपल who nobody is going to give chance to. But once they see them on Music Garage, then things would change, hopefully. Yeah,
Right.
yeah,
We
yeah.
hope so. So Vivek, congratulate भी करना चाहूँगी Inside Edge की,
अरे
finally
थैंक यू यार,
आ चुकी है.
फाइनली सुपर एक्साइटेड. मैं एक्चुअली अभी हाल ही में दुबई था, T20 के मैच देखने गया था अपने बेटे के साथ में, और हम इंडिया को चीयर करने गए थे, और वेरी डिसअपॉइंटेड कि इंडिया हार गई. लेकिन वहाँ पर हर कोई जो मिल रहा था मुझे पूछ रहा था इनसाइड एज 3 कब आ रही है. एंड आई सेड यार यहाँ उस शो के बारे में बात मत करो, थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो जाएगी. But everybody was asking, jokes apart, the fans love it, and we are all excited as a team. Everybody from Farhan, Ritesh, myself, to Karan, Anshuman, the creator, to the entire cast and crew. Everyone's super excited, and इस बार बड़ी टक्कर भी है सीजन 3 में, जैसे आपने पोस्टर में देखा है. My social media handles have been going crazy all day. जब से सुबह announcement आई है तब से people have been reaching out saying super excited. तो I'm hoping December 3rd को Inside Edge is received with a lot of love.
Right. Besides that, फिल्में कब रिलीज होने वाली हैं आपके साइड से? बिकॉज सिनेमाज ओपन हो चुके हैं. वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग so much from you. तो
नहीं, of course. So there's a bunch of work that I've signed up. I've signed about 6 projects.
Right.
Some of them are OTT, some of them are for theatrical. सबकी शूटिंग अब शुरू हुई है. To keep my Malayalam fans also happy, I'm doing my South fans. I'm doing a film right now, which is again with the Lucifer team जो थी उनके साथ में दोबारा एक हम रिपीट कर रहे हैं. कड़ुआ, उसकी शूटिंग शुरू हो चुकी है, और जनवरी से बाकी प्रोजेक्ट्स की शूटिंग शुरू हो जाएगी. आई एम शूटिंग राइट नाउ फॉर माई शो विद MX Player, एंड in which I play the protagonist and Anna is there playing the antagonist. So again, Anna के साथ काम करने का एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन मज़ा आएगा. I've never worked with him. My father has worked with him. I've never had the chance. So now we're working together on a very big, it's a mega project on the platform, on the OTT. उसकी shooting शुरू हो चुकी है. So I'm super excited getting back to work.
Thank you so much.
बड़ी अच्छी बात है, म्यूजिक को दोबारा ट्रैक पे लेके आए बड़े अच्छे तरीके से.
Thank you जी.
टाइम एंड म्यूजिक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बहुत है, उनको हिट करने के लिए आप लोगों ने वही काम किया.
Thank you पाजी. Thank you पाजी.
कहना चाहिए
बस यही कि I think music should have soul, and Music Garage's focus is to create music that connects with people, touches hearts, has some degree of emotion, and has a lot of soul. शिखा के बारे में ये बता दूं मैं कि लोग जानते नहीं हैं कि she produced a film almost 10-11 years ago, which won one of the highest honors at Busan Film Festival. And I think Nawaz at that time was like a newcomer-ish.
Yeah,
It was barely a few films. I don't even know, was it his first or second or third film or something like that. So Nawaz starred in that film, wonderful film that she produced at that time. So she's always had quality in mind, and I think that's the idea. The idea is to create good quality music जो लोगों को छुए. आज जब मैं अनकही बातें द सॉन्ग अनकही बातें देख रहा था तो कुछ चीज़ें मुझे देख के साथिया की याद आ रही थी, आदि और सुहानी की याद आ रही थी. वो जो मोमेंट्स देख रहा था एक प्यारी सी सिंपल इनोसेंट लव स्टोरी की. आई मिस दैट समटाइम्स ऑन स्क्रीन. आई मिस दैट इनोसेंस एंड दैट लव ऑन स्क्रीन समटाइम्स.
Thank you so much.
ऑलराइट, बाय गाइस. हाउ आर यू?
हम अलग कर अलग से ये किस
पीछे सुने वीक सर सेंटर में ही ना. अच्छा
बेटा व्हाई डोंट यू कम दिस साइड? कम.
गुड. लेकिन गाने के हिसाब से चेंज हो गया.
नहीं सही है.
इट्स ओके.
गाना अलग.
एक सर बोलो क्या
शिखा कम, प्लीज कम शिखा.
हाँ उनको बीच में चाहिए. चलो पीछे चलो भाई.
Stay like this only, Shikhar.
अभी आया क्या? बताया क्यों नहीं? बोले
Considering you're a photographer, huh?
Yeah, that's behind the camera.
बस हो गया. थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू मैम. सीधे वहाँ मिल.
Ravi, guys, all the best. Wish you all the best in your careers. Do well. God bless you.
छोड़ दे.
Well done.
अरे बोलो आप. हो गया चलो देख सकते हैं.
एक मिनट में उसको विश करके
बाकी लोग का वाइट कर लो जनता. क्यों ही
feeling good? Great. Next song. Push yourself more, work harder, get more hungry. Don't get complacent. Still show up. Start it. Okay, I'm there anytime to bounce. Thank you.
himself.
सर मेरे को सोचना पड़ता है कौन सा बताओ. इतना दिमाग कौन लगाए. छोड़ो हिंदी देखो भाई.
Thank you so much.
थैंक यू. चलो भाई करो.